This is why you need a digital marketer. They're the secret weapon your business has been missing. Let's talk about digital marketers. These tech-savvy heroes can turn your offline business into an online sensation. Imagine reaching customers not just in your town, but all over the world. First, they build you a snazzy website. Think of it as your 24/7 storefront. Then, they sprinkle some SEO magic to make sure people can actually find it. You wouldn't open a store in the middle of nowhere, right? Next up, social media. Digital marketers know how to make your brand the talk of the town. They craft posts that get likes, shares, and most importantly, customers through your door. And let's not forget online ads. With targeted ads, you only spend money showing your products to people who are actually interested. It's like having a billboard that only your dream customers see. So if you want to supercharge your offline business, a digital marketer is your secret weapon. Ready to level up?